Now here the question is, tangents are drawn from the point 3, 4 to the ellipse x square upon 9 plus y square upon 4 equals to 1, touching the ellipse at A and B. So first we need to find coordinates of A and B. So we have this ellipse. Whose equation is x square upon 9 plus y square upon 4 equals to 1. And this point is 3, 0. This is minus 3, 0. This is 0, 2 and this is 0, minus 2. Now it says from a point 3, 4. So from a point which is at a distance 3 and then at 4. So from this point, say P, which is 3, 4, two tangents are drawn to this ellipse. Now we clearly know that one of the tangents should be x equal to 3 line and one of the point of contact will be 3, 0. We need to find this other point. Now for this question, since we have to find point of contact, we'll say let these point of contacts be x1 and y1. Then equation of tangent at this point x1, y1 will be given by x1 upon 9 plus y1 upon 4 and it is equal to 1. Now this tangent will pass through 3, 4. So we'll put x as 3 and we'll put y as 4. So we'll get x1 by 3 plus y1 and this value will be 1. So now we have two equations. Since this point x1, y1 will also lie on this ellipse, so it will satisfy its equation. So we'll get x1 square upon 9 plus y1 square upon 4 and this is equal to 1. Now we know that one of the value of y is 0, so we'll eliminate x. So we'll put the value of x1 by 3. So x1 by 3 is 1 minus y1, so it will be 1 minus y1 square plus y1 square upon 4 and this is equal to 1. So we'll get 1 plus y1 square minus 2y1 plus y1 square upon 4 and this value is equal to 1. So this 1 and 1 will cancel. So we'll get 5y1 square minus 8y1 equals to 0. That is, the value of y1 is either 0 or the value of y1 is 8 upon 5. So this point, it is 3, 0 and this other point will be B. Now we'll put y as 8 by 5. So it will be 1 minus 8 by 5. 1 minus 8 by 5 is minus 3 by 5. So x1 upon 3 is minus 3 by 5. So it will be minus 9 by 5. So this point B will be minus 9 by 5 and 8 by 5. So coordinates of A and B are 3, 0 and minus 9 by 5, 8 by 5 and that's your option number D. Now the second question is, we need to find orthocenter of this triangle PAB. Now we know that this line PA, it is perpendicular to x-axis. So altitude from B will be perpendicular to y-axis. So we know that equation of this line will be y equals 8 by 5. Now orthocenter will lie on this line. We'll drop a perpendicular from P also. Now this point of intersection, this is your orthocenter H. Now for this orthocenter H, let its x coordinate be H and we know that its y coordinate will be 8 by 5. Now we need to find value of H. So we know that this PH, it is perpendicular to AB. So we'll write slope equation 4 minus 8 by 5 upon 3 minus H into, what is the slope of this line? Slope of this line will be minus 8 by 5 and here it will be 3 plus 9 by 5 and this value is equal to minus 1. So it will be 20 minus 8, 12 by 5, 12 by 5 minus 8 by 5. So it will be 96 upon 25. This minus and minus will cancel and here we will have 3 minus H and it will be 15 plus 9. There will be 24 upon 5 and this value is equal to 1. So this is 5. 24 is 4 times. So condition we'll get is 3 minus H is 4 by 5. That is, value of h is 15 minus 4. So there will be 11 by 5. So coordinate of orthocenter will be 11 by 5 and 8 by 5, and that's your option C. Now it says we need to find equation of locus of the point whose distance from the point P and the line AB are equal. Now this point P is 3, 4. Equation of ellipse is x square upon 9 plus y square upon 4 equals to 1. This AB is nothing but it is chord of contact of tangents drawn from this point P. So we know that equation of chord of contact is given by t equals 0. So which in this case will be 3x upon 9 plus 4y upon 4 equals to 1. So it will be x upon 3 plus y, and it is equal to 1. So this equation will be x plus 3y minus 3 equals to 0. Now we need to find locus of this point whose distance from this point P and line AB they are equal. So we know that if the distance from a fixed line and fixed point they're equal, in that case we'll get a parabola. So distance from this point P will simply be under root of x minus 3 square plus y minus 4 square, and then distance from this line it is nothing but x plus 3y minus 3 upon under root 10. Now we'll square both sides. So we'll write 10 and it will be x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8y plus 25, and it will be x square plus 9y square plus 9 plus 6xy minus 6x minus 18y. So we'll get this equation as 9x square plus y square minus 6xy. Now it will be minus 60x and then plus 6x. So there will be minus 54x, then minus 80 and plus 18. So there will be minus 62. So minus 62y, and finally it will be 250 minus 9, and that should be 241 equals to 0. So equation will be 9x square plus y square minus 6xy minus 54x minus 62y plus 241, and that's your option A.